water takes up approximately 71% of the entire Earth. So, why don't we use that to our advantage? Before that, welcome everyone. We're so glad you can join us today. We're thrilled to introduce you an amazing invention, a self-sustaining energy generator that uses water power to create electricity. It's smart, it's clean, and get this, it can be built mostly using recyclable items. That means it's not only generating renewable energy source, it's also entirely recyclable.
Let me walk you through how it works. First, water is pumped by this small, efficient water pump into a pipe system. The water flows through the pipe and falls down with the help of gravity onto two wheels, turning them with a surprising amount of force. This rotation powers miniature motors connected to the wheels. Those motors convert kinetic energy into electrical energy. That electricity then travels through wires to power the system itself. One of the wheels generates electricity for the output. The other wheel generates electricity to power the water pump, causing the entire system to cycle, creating this self-sustaining power source.
Okay, so now here's why it's a great choice for energy source. It's self-sustaining, which means it powers itself. It powers itself with electricity generated all on its own. And yes, it can be made with recyclable items and materials, which means it's as eco-friendly as it can be. Think of the possibilities of great homes, emergency disaster reliefs, powering rural communities. The applications are endless.
Of course, like any new invention, it's not without challenges. The initial setup, especially the pump and materials, can be a bit costly. On top of that, managing the wire and water flows requires attention to details. Combining water and electricity always call for top-notch safety protocols. But here's the good news. With thoughtful design, waterproof housing, and proper insulation, these problems are manageable, and considering that the potential impact, the effort is absolutely worth it.
This invention is more than just a project. It's a step forward. It proves that clean, renewable energy isn't just an idea, it's a solution. Now, with that being said, let's shape a world where sustainability is the new norm, one drop of water at a time.